Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Tap to Cash to Control Center on iPhone. So with the new update of iOS 10, they just introduced a new feature, which is Tap to Cash. So you can just move your iPhone closer with someone to send or receive money from them. So if you want to add the shortcuts to your Control Center, let me show you how it is done. Just scroll down to your Control Center and you need to click on this plus at the top left corner. Once you click on that, click on Add a Control at the bottom. Once you click on Add a Control, you can just search for the control right here. Let's search for Tap to Cash. As you can see, this is under Wallet. Just click on it and that's how to add it. You can even make it bigger or smaller. Just drag this toggle to make it bigger. You can even make it more bigger. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching.